Hey guys, this is a cool Subway Surfers video. I'm gonna show you. Let's start off with this girl here. How good is Bonnie at the game? Oh, okay. She's kind of bad using a board right off the start. She just got hit. She's not doing too well. Ducking and rolling and jumping for no good reason. Almost missed a magnet. Collecting coins, doing pretty good. Oh, concussion on Bonnie. Oh, that's gotta hurt. Alright, next guy. Let's see. Ignore that if you can see that. Let's do Diego. Alright, Diego looks like he's fired up and ready to go. You got this, Diego. Jumping around. Oh, he got hit while the officer was running after him, but he still didn't get caught. Diego's a master. Jumping over from train to train, dodging, not collecting any coins, so. Oh, he hit a stoplight. I'm just gonna call it that. Mystery box. Oh, shoot, he almost got concussion there. Diego's thin, maybe he can move it. Oh, nope. Concussion on Diego, too. Alright, quick open. I don't care, I forget that. Alright, next and last, Roberto. Let's go, Roberto. Let's do this for his. Come on, Roberto. Don't lose your ball. Oh, concussion already on Roberto. I don't think he's cut out for this kind of gameplay. Nope, that'll do it, guys.